Hey, Miss Alana here, working on math, getting smarter and smarter every day, and I know you are too. So we are working on our bus driver appreciation work. This is question number 6. Question number 6. That's a 6. That's a 6. All right, let's read it. Convert the total number of kilometers traveled into meters. First thing we do, I forgot to read the conversion. 1 kilometer equals 1,000 meters. Here's our mnemonic device, cubes. First thing we do is what? Circle the numbers. Now you should be getting good at remembering this. Circle the numbers. Let's find some numbers. Oh, there's a number 1 and 1,000. Okay, that's not a number. That's a number of the problem. We don't need to circle that. All right, that was easy. Next, we underline the important words. Say some important words for me. We have convert. We have total number. What else do you see? Kilometers. Bam, right there. What else do you see? Traveled. Meters. Kilometer. Meters. Okay, we almost underlined everything because everything's important. We're done with that. The next part, box the question. Where's the question? The question is, there's no question. There's no question mark, but it does tell you what to do. What is that? Now, instead of boxing it, I am going to highlight it. Let's see. Convert the total number of kilometers traveled into meters. Oh, left out that S. Convert the total number of kilometers into meters. Check. E in the cube's mnemonic device. Eliminate unnecessary information. Well, we pretty much underlined and circled and highlighted everything. So there's nothing unnecessary. We need everything. Last thing we do is solve and check. Solve and check. Yes. All right. So if we are converting the total number of kilometers traveled, we need to know how many kilometers they traveled. Okay. So we need to look back at the other problem. This is the conversion. That's not how many they traveled, okay? So look back, and we know, look at number 4. At number 4, it says they traveled 6 miles. But the question says we need to convert the kilometers. So that's not it. We don't need the miles. But if you look at question number 5, look, that's when we converted to kilometers. And there's our answer, 9 6/10 kilometers. So we're going to use that number, 9 6/10 kilometers. Now, what this right here, I got to write that down before I forget. 9 6/10 kilometers. What this means right here is 1 kilometer has 1,000 meters in it. So how many of these? 9 of these and 6/10 of 1. So it's a little bit more than 9, but less than 10. So we're going to see count 1, 2. You know what? I'm not even going to draw that because you should already know what to do. What do we need to do? 2 operations we can do. We can either add or multiply. But for this one, since we have a decimal, it's going to be kind of hard to add that. Well, let us multiply. All right, we need to multiply this 9 6/10 into, well, no, I'm just getting confused. We're converting the kilometers into meters, okay? Now, for every 1 kilometer, that's 1,000. So, look, you already know if it's just 9, that would be 9,000. That's easy. But since we have that 6/10, let's multiply a little bit longer, the longer way. So we need to do that times 1,000. Now, I could write it this way, 1,000 like that. But you know what? Remember, I'm not doing the long way. I hope you don't want to do the long way. If you do, that's fine. But I'm going to do the short way because we know zeros do what? They like to roll. They like to roll and they hang out. They hang out on the end. So I'm going to write 9 6/10 times 1,000 that way. And remember the zeros hang out, okay? So 1 times 6 is 6. 1 times 9 is 9, and then what? Zeros, drop it to the ground. 0, 0, 0. And don't forget, look, there's our decimal. Don't forget, decimals, when we multiply, we count it over like bloop, like bloop. So we go to the answer and count it over like bloop, and then it goes right there. Okay? So it's 9,600. Okay? Now remember, there was another way. Remember when we have the 9 and 6/10 like this, and when we multiply it by 1,000, we need to add these zeros. How many zeros do you see? 3 zeros. So I'm going to add 1, 2, 3 zeros, and then I need to move the decimal 3 times. 3 zeros, 3 times. 3 zeros, 3 times. And we go 1, 2, 3. And it goes right there. That's the same answer. So I have 9,600. Or you could just write 9,600 like that. Make sure that comma. And what is our unit? Meters, not kilometers. Remember, that was kilometers. Now we have meters. So you can do it this way, or this way. Either way, as long as you get it right, whatever works best for you, hey, that works for me too. So we're almost done. Catch the next videos for the last few problems we have to do. See you then.